What is this?
It's a cap.
Whose is this? Йоко. Ну-ка скажи.
Whose is this?
А?
Whose is this?
Whose is this?
Hi everyone!
Hi!
Today we are going to have a look at 25 top questions in English for beginners. As always, you can read the text in the PDF, which you can find in the description. Follow our podcasts on Yandex Music and iTunes. For more new dialects, subscribe to our channel. So here we go. What is your name?
My name is Anya. And what is your name?
My name is Rinat.
Nice to meet you, Rinat.
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?
I'm from Russia. What about you?
I'm from Russia too.
Nice.
Where do you live?
I live in a small town, not so far from Moscow.
That's great.
Yeah. What do you do?
I'm an engineer. And what about you? What do you do?
I do research works for insurance companies.
Oh, that's interesting.
Yeah. Do you speak English?
Yes, I do. I like this language. What about you?
I speak English too.
Nice. How long have you been studying English?
I have been studying English for many years. What about you?
Yeah, I've been studying English for many years too.
Yeah, it's awesome. Where did you learn English?
I learned English at school and then I took individual classes with a native speaker.
Oh, okay,
It's
nice.
very effective, you know.
Yeah, I know. Can you play musical instruments?
Yes, I can. I can play guitar and also I like singing a lot.
Oh, good for you.
Do you like American food?
Not much. I think it's not too healthy. What about you?
Yeah, that's right, but sometimes I like it.
Oh, okay.
What's the weather like today?
The weather is nice today. It's sunny and warm.
Yeah, the summer is coming
Yeah.
very soon.
How old are you?
I'm 31 years old. What about you?
I'm always 18 years old.
Okay. Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I do. I have one elder brother and one younger brother.
Okay.
How tall are you?
I'm 177 centimeters tall.
Okay, good to know.
Do you have a cell phone?
Yes, of course. I think everyone has a cell phone nowadays.
That's true. How are you?
I'm fine, thanks. And you?
I'm good too, thank you.
What time is it?
It's 8:42 in the morning, still pretty early.
Yeah. What are you doing?
I'm making a wonderful video lesson for our YouTube channel.
Good for you.
What's wrong?
Nothing. Everything is okay.
What are your plans for today?
I'm going to meet my friends and spend time together.
Yeah, that's cool.
Are you hungry?
No, I'm not hungry. I have just had breakfast.
Okay. What is this?
It's a cat.
Whose is this?
It's mine.
Okay.
Have you been to London?
Yes, I have been to London. It was a wonderful trip.
That's right.
How much is it?
It's not too expensive. It's only $15.
Yeah, it's okay.
So guys, thank you very much for watching. That was 25 questions in English for beginners. If you like the video, don't forget to like it, of course, and follow our channel. Thank you very much once again, and see you later. Bye.
Bye.
What about you?
I speak English too.
I'm 177 centimeters.
Whose is this? Whose is this? Whose is this? Я не скажу. Whose is this?
No.
What is it?
It's a cat.
Okay.